Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Cat Goes Fishing. Most intense game of the year. Now, in the last one, we had things going well for us, except I realized I actually made a big mistake. And that is, we were trying to catch this fish, the gawker, when I should be trying to catch the beakfish, which is the really fast fish. I've only managed to see him a few times. Not too often do I get to see him though, because just darts across the screen. Might as well just clean this area up a little bit. Tired of seeing all these kingfish. Oh. Gosh darn. Alright, thanks, bud. Thanks, bud. I don't want you. I want you. Thank you. Thank you. So I think the quest for today is to get a boat. I think that'll help with completing this current objective, which means, bastard, I need to come up with 35k. So for additional $1,000, I think I could do that. I think that won't necessarily be too terribly difficult. You bastard. You bastard. It's a good thing I don't have to buy bait in order to cast, which is you fucker. Oh, come on. Nobody moves quick enough. Alright, we'll catch you. You fucker. Catch you. And then we'll catch you. Sell you. We'll swoop this on by the stupid mustard fish. And then we'll get the mustard fish. Easy peasy. This game's too easy. I'll tell you what. So, new rod upgrade. I will check you out in a second. This game is so relaxing. It really is probably one of the best games that I've played all year. Right next to Little Nightmares. Little Nightmares was absolutely a fantastic game, and I want to play it again, but with no idea on how to play it. I want to forget everything I know about that game and play it again. Pretty much, that's what I'm trying to say. Sadly, that's not really an ability that I have. Wish it was. Wish it was an ability I have. Ooh, that round fin was ooh, that's a hat. That is a hat. Now how do I get said hat? No, I'm not gonna be able to get the hat. You fucking goddamn it, you grumper. Alright, can I get the hat with this? I was so close. See, that right there isn't the same guy that we need to be going for. Fuck you. Mustard fish. This beakfish thing is gonna start to piss me off. Alright, we'll take you. Sell you. Get closer to getting that boat. I think that's all that really needs to be done. Oh, we're so close. So close to the boat. How much are you worth? $200. I'll take you. Ooh, mustard fish. I will take you. You're like $400, I think. Just enough to make it worth it. 34k. What are you? I don't think I've caught you. Snobfish. I've definitely caught a snobfish. There it is. There it is. That's what we want right there. That's the beakfish. Alright, come on. Beakfish. Where did you go? You fucker. I'll take you and sell you at least. But that was the beakfish that we saw just a few seconds ago. That is what I need That is what I wanted, money-wise. Because now... hell yeah. Alright, so... boats. Can't travel far from shore. But hey, you cannot sell fish while out at sea. It's good to know. Alright, how far out can I go though? This isn't close by any means. Ooh, look at all these big boys. Toss your fish behind you in order to get it in the boat. Alright. And cowfish right there. What is that? Take you. Alright. We'll... Alright. Get you. Get you. Hey, cowfish. Son of a gun. You fucker. Alright, we'll get that cowfish. And mine. Thank you. Alright, but what do we got going on here? There's a seraph. What are you? I think that might be the beakfish. Or am I wrong again? No. Wrong yet again. I may have gone too far. Might have gone just a little too far. So now we got some good fish spawns. Might as well just take a gander. There's that fish. No. This beakfish one's gonna be difficult. I can't ever find one. So that may be a problem. Thank you, Seraph. I will actually come closer to you as I reel you in. Breaking the distance. Like a professional. Alright. Take you. Oh shit, you were worth like a lot of money. That guy was worth a considerable amount of money. Almost 4K. Alright. You bastard. What is that? What are these fish? Oh my goodness. Alright, well. I forgot to put a bomb on it before I sent it out. No. No, you bastards. You bastards. What is that? What the fuck? Alright, I don't think I don't really have any money. I can't get a bomb because I don't have money. The reason I don't have money is because I'm too busy trying to get these guys. They're down there. They're down there. Okay. Ooh. You guys got rid of that quick. Alright. Well, I can... Yes. Yes, come on. That's a big fish, baby. Yes. There's one of you. We're taking you. You're now ours. I didn't mean to... Alright. I need another... You fucker. Oh. 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 There's a hat. It's a hat, baby. Fish are worth double, but rod upgrades are disabled. Ooh. No, I didn't want to equip it. No, I didn't want to equip it. That's silly. No, how do I... How do I unequip a hat? I don't want to take the hat. I'll bring you up. Is that a full boat? No, I don't. Ooh. Yeah, I don't want that. I will take you though. Catch 3 skitter. Look at that. That hat was silly. Why would I want that hat? Oh, that doesn't make any sense to me. Those are skitter there, I think. What are you? I forgot what you are. Yours. You do rod upgrades. What'd I get? Attract. Only available if there's a fish on your rod. The species will be more attracted to your lure. The stack's up to 3 times. No, why would I want that? Cat finesse. Click to hold the line when casting, enabling a shorter. No. Propel. Only available if there's a fish on your rod. This species will be more likely to ignore your lure. Ooh. That's actually kind of nice. I might get the repel. Alright, I'm as far as I can go. Sadly. Alright. Hold up. No. I don't know what that is, though. Ooh. Put a bomb on this bitch. Let's get it deep. Boom, bitch. What are you? Oh, there. Oh. Damn it. But what is this? Oh, put that back. No! 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 Might as well just go for a big cast then with this guy. Who's worth so much money. No, I don't want him. You bastard. Everything that you stand for, I hate. Everything about you. God damn it. God damn it. Alright. No, that's what I wanted. And there's a hat. Come on, hat. Oh, you bastard, I didn't want you. I didn't want you. There was a hat. Hats are nice. I guess I'll put you back there. I still want that hat, god damn it. I doubt I'm gonna be able to get deep enough to get the hat. Eat my bait. Oh. Alright, sweet. What kind of hat are you? Increases. Occasionally cast your line further than usual. 80 grand? Oh. The other hat will be sold. If I choose the other one, do I lose my quest? Occasionally cast your line further than usual, but 80k. How much further than usual? I should have sold the other one, but... What in the world? You bastard. All of you are dickheads. Oh, okay, so I lost the big fish one, which I'm honestly fine with. That quest sucked dick because I didn't see nearly enough of them to make it really worth it. Now I need to catch skitters. Throw you back there. Alright. I want to... No, those are skitters right there. Those are skitters. Where did they go? No, come on. I need you. Ooh. That occasional thing is very often from what I can see. Alright, so they're not honestly that far. They're not that distance either, though. They're not far, though. Ooh. Does he count? He doesn't count. Oh, shit, get back there, bitch. Get back there. 12K. Yeah. I think that's a skidder. Cast you right back out. Okay. I really didn't want you, mustard fish, but that'll work, I suppose. What if I put a bomb and rocket on there? Ooh, okay. Alright. Now we're cooking. What's down here? I don't want you. I don't want you. You fucking twat, you Sybil Finn. You bastard. And I gotta drag you all the way up here. Only worth $1,400. I'll put you back there, though. Fucking stupid mustard fish. Little dickheads is what they are. You bastard! Now it won't count for my quest. Oh, you fucking twats. You twats. Yeah, latch on. Latch on. You're about to get sold. To go to the Russian meat market, you little bastard. I understand my boat is full. Don't care. You fucking twats. You twats. He's gonna eat it again. Why? Why this fish is literally the fucking bane of my existence. Yeah, you little shit. Now these guys won't eat it. Get out of you. Get all of you out of here. Get all of you out of here. Dumbest fish in the fucking world. I hate you little bastards. I'll take one of you. I'll take one of you with me. Let's go. We'll sell all of you. Sell every single one of you. Sell. Whew. Look at that money. Oh, for having a... all of that money. No boat sounds though, which is silly. Ooh, there's a hat. I want that hat. I'm gonna get that hat. I'm gonna get that hat. No, come on, I just missed it. Come on, that's not fair. I'm not gonna get the hat now. I just barely missed it. And now it's just... hell yeah. They won't eat my hat, will they? You can see the lunge range of fish. Oh, man. That's helpful. That is helpful. I'll take you. I'll take you. That's actually really helpful. You little twat. That's really helpful, actually. Now I can easily or avoid them easier, I should say. I got the red one, which technically isn't a skitter. It's the red skitter. I hate this fucking game. I hate this fucking game. There should just be a store and boat button. I can't sell it. What a waste. That's a 12k fish I just gotta send back out there. Ugh, I'm pissed. Come on. Yeah, there we go. At least make it worth my time. God, I'm so upset. What a waste. Mustard fish has just an obnoxious reach. Because it's a little bastard. Did I get the other one? I got the other one. Yes. I gotta go back to land real quick. You little twat. Travel back to fresh land after losing a $12,000 fish. $12,000 fish, come on, man. Alright, what you got for me quest-wise? What the hell? Alright, quest, catfin. Catfin. Doesn't seem like a big fish. It's a large fish? Oh, I know what you are. So since I found those other hats... Oh... So if I get rid of the hat, I can no longer purchase it. You already have it, yeah. Since I already have the hat... Damn! That's actually... sucks. Alright, I guess the question is, what should I spend my money on? Because I have a good amount of money. A good boat. Approved boat that holds up to 8 fish. Travels faster than other boats, but holds fewer fish. Now, decreases battery light bulbs. Okay, travels further than any boat. Let us just get... Oh, the great rod, though. I think we'll just save up for the great rod. Can I buy anything for my rod? I cannot. I don't necessarily know if I like this hat. The more I use it. The other hat wasn't necessarily as great either. And I'm actually glad I sold it for 80k. That's a good amount of money for a freaking hat. It's like I'm playing TF2. So I kind of want to get a view for what I got going on down here. Oh. Alright, so there's a hat directly below me. Now, I saw that mustard fish down here. Alright, yeah. Take my bait. Thank you. I will swing on through. Right underneath the boat. Pick up another hat. Hell yeah. This is hat central. You can sneak past aggressive fish, but some are harder to hook. I'll take this cap. Thank you very much. I'd much rather have this hat. That's the fish I want. That's the fish I want. It's a large fish too, which means that I have to get something in between this, which shouldn't hopefully be... You bastard. What the fuck was that? Whatever that was had a hell of a giant circle. Alright, come on. No. Alright, I for once I want that stupid mustard fish. Come here, mustard fish. Come here, mustard fish. Thank you, I will take you. You're what I want. Now let's put a rocket on you. Go just a little bit further out. Oh, that's what I want. Oh god, the mustard fish. goddamn mustard fish. Alright, now that I know where it's at, though, I can go for it again. Alright, that's a damn good toss. I don't know what you were, but you're not what I want to get. You're worth good money. I'll take you. I'll take you. You're worth like what, 11K? Pfft, easy money. Alright. Alright. Thank you. New rod upgrade. I'm actually really interested. Diving lure. Cheap. Cast finesse. Not what I want. Repel. Improved crank. Increase reel speed. This stacks. Ooh. That's actually really nice. I like that. I like that a lot. I'll take you. Ooh. The speed. The finesse. I'll take you. Then I'll put a rocket on you. Send you flying out just a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna be able to catch it. No, there it is. That's what I want. I don't want you. Get away. I don't want you. Get away. What is that? What is it that I just saw? Oh, you bastard. You bastard. I just saw something. What was that? It was deep, though. Like, really deep. I'm trying to get this other fish out here, though. I just don't think I'm gonna... I know exactly where it's at. The fuck was that? The problem with it is, though... The fuck is that? What was that? Will it come back? If I just wait a few seconds? What the fuck is that? Is that a shark, bro? Okay. Yes! Let's go, baby! Let's go! I do not understand how that managed to work. Right at the end of the 30 minutes. Isn't that fantastic? Well, right at... Just... I got 2 minutes to go, but... The point still stands. Yeah, get in the bag, bitch. Alright, 15K. Holy shit. Can I buy a new rod with that? No, 180. But I do have 13 in the boat, which is good. I have a huge hook. Where are you? I don't know what that is. Let's catch it. It's the beauty of this game. I don't know what that is. Let's catch it. Alright. So we got you. Do I need a large fish for that other fish? Oh, you bastard. Now, the hook. What is the hook? Hold up. How much is the hook? I guess I should say. You know, I'll put you back there. You're worth good money. Alrighty. Come on. Thank you. Alright, so how much is that hook? It is $5,000. The hook is worth 5K. Let's go for it, boys. Ooh, long toss, long toss. That's what I wanted. I want to get deep. I want to get real deep. Not what I'm after. I'm after that shark. Am I deep enough for the shark? No! No, I scared him. Son of a fucking taint. Where you at, shark? Where you at, buddy? Where'd you go? Don't care that I got you. I have a hook. What the hook means is that I can just catch fish continuously, which is nice. Tell me I didn't just get rid of the shark. Come on. I want it. I want the shark. I don't want the cowfish, I want the shark. Give it to me. If I come back this way, will I find him? Because maybe I scared him off for sure. But maybe just that's not the shark though. I don't know what that is. That's not the shark. I think I just got rid of the shark. I'm upset. That was probably really good money. I gotta somehow find something that's worth whatever. What the hell are you? What the hell is that? Alright, so that's the dock. I'm gonna make one more pass, bring up the cowfish, and call it an episode. Because I'm already 2 minutes over. Come on. Shark. Sharky. Come on. Please? Please? Nope. Looks like I screwed myself. Alright, guys. In the next one we'll get that shark. We'll get that shark in the next one. I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you've been enjoying yourself like I have. I just wasted an hour playing this game. 30 minutes for each session, but an hour of my time on this game. And it went by so quick. I absolutely love playing this. I hope you do love me playing it. And I will see you in the next one.